What's up, everybody? It's Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN. It's been a hot minute since we've been down in Delaware, but today we're coming to you from Newark, and we're checking out the opening of Lefty's Alley and Eats. If that name sounds a little familiar, you might have seen our visit from a few years back to their original location in Lewis. This new spot just opened up, and it's even more gigantic than their old location. They've got luxury bowling lanes, axe throwing, golf simulators, even a game show studio. Their restaurant has an awesome indoor-outdoor patio, and of course, they've got a totally modern arcade to round things out. Let's head inside and check out everything they've got to offer. Come on in. I'm really impressed with the new Lefties. They've got a great mix of activities for the whole family. The arcade side is cool. Personally, I was happy to see a selection of newer pinball machines from Stern out on the floor. Wasn't really expecting to find 4 of them over here. Plus, a lot of current games as well, ranging from Icy Slush Rush and Hot Wheels Ultimate Speedway to Ghostbusters Wheel and Speed Rider 4DX. All the rest of the activities are awesome too, and I really want to try out that live-action game show at some point. Like I said earlier, I don't get down to Delaware often, but the next time I'm passing through, you better believe I'm going to be stopping back in over here. I've been Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN, reminding you to like, comment, subscribe, or join, and I'll see you all next time. Hey, it's me, Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video, and very special thanks to all of our channel's fans, superfans, and sponsors. If you want to help support more arcade tour videos and road trips, please click the join link on the end card here or down in the description for more information on channel memberships. See you all next time.